Hello my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. Here are example photo before and after using 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃. So, now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import your photos in application. Select a picture. Go to the light panel. Contrast to 50. Highlight to -60. Shadows to -10. Whites to -70. And blacks to -20. Now go to the 𝗬𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗃. Follow these steps. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Temp go to 6. And vibrance to -16. Saturation to -30. Now go to the Mix tool. First red color. Saturation to -16. And luminance to -16. Go to orange color. And just the hue -6. Saturation to -10. Luminance to 10. Go to yellow color. And just the hue -61. Saturation to -40. and luminance to -30. Go to green color and adjust the hue -50. Saturation to -30. And luminance to -30. Go to aqua color and saturation to -50. Luminance to -20. Go to blue color and saturation to -30. Luminance to -20. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. Clarity to 40. Dehaze to 20. Now go to the split tone. Go to highlight and adjust the hue to 30 and saturation 19. Go to shadows and adjust the hue to 29 and saturation to 9. And click Done. Now go to Details. Noise reduction to 15. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.